Scientists at the National Center for Atlantic and Oceanic Research in Vasco have confirmed that global warming and climate change has indeed been happening, accelerated by human activity. Talking to media on the sidelines of its 10th anniversary celebrations, the director of NCAOR said that NCAOR scientists have been studying climate change dating back to 18,000 years. He also informed that the sea level was indeed increasing, although in millimeters.
Climate change are two different phenomena.
Climate change is made, that
See, it is the perception. The IPCC report, if you see, they have given you some data, but recently even that was put to some debate and all that. But the fact is that the carbon dioxide is increasing in the atmosphere, and the rise of temperature is directly related to the influx of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So yes, it is there. But how far sea level is increasing and all that, it is up to a millimeter scale, 1.8 millimeter and all that. So you can't see it with your naked eyes. Some human effect, but yes, when our people go to the Southern Ocean, they go to the cruises, they measure the sea surface temperatures, the conductivity, the depth variation. So all these parameters, they are going to tell you about all these issues, the climate is changing and how it has changed for the last 1 decade or 2 decades. And what basically we are studying is how the climate was 18,000 years before. That is the period when there was a drastic change in the climate. You know, that was the period when the entire world was covered by glaciers. Now from that stage we have come now into an interglacial period. Between the two glacial periods there is an interglacial period. So we are now in that period. So how the climate has changed from 18,000 years till now, we are studying the entire process. So equipped with that data, we can definitely say what is going to happen.
Rasik Ravindran's colleagues informed that scientists have found a warming trend from the past 100 years at the Antarctica.
It has been found over the past 100 years. They have found a warming trend from the Antarctic ice. So they have taken ice core and they have studied for the past 100 years, very high resolution study using isotopes, oxygen isotopes basically. And in our center they have found that it shows a warming trend for the past 100 years.
Another scientist confirmed the situation was indeed grim as far as the climate change was concerned. He said there indeed was a significant human contributory factor and it was within human power to slow down the climatic change.
About the human contribution, that whatever we hear, the situation is definitely grim. What you hear is correct, the situation is grim. But as the other day Professor Samaras was telling, that it's not going to be like tsunami, that it's not going to happen tomorrow, it's not going to happen day after tomorrow, it's going to happen gradually, and within 100 years, our future generations, they will be affected. Now the question is that what is the human contribution? Since in the past we did not have human beings, so we do not know that whether the past climatic changes, how much was the contribution for the human being. But now, we can measure the changes that are happening now, the carbon dioxide level and all that level, and we can compare with the past data, and we definitely find indicator that there is some human contribution. But we cannot exactly tell you that what is the human contribution, whether 50% is the human contribution or it's only 4%. But there is a significant human contribution and we are responsible for that. So if we check our ways, we probably can retard the process.
See, the direct implication is burning of fuel.